Turtles have been iconic species out here for generations, for centuries. And the islanders and the communities could see that there was fewer turtles, that obviously they were being threatened, their species was being destroyed.
At the global level, the sea turtle population is declining. Given that the Great Sea Reef is the largest reef here in Fiji, the turtles find the Great Sea Reef as a habitat for survival, habitat for feeding, and also for mating, and also it's a corridor of migrating through to other Pacific regions.
So we talked a lot to WWF to try and understand what was the most vulnerable species and how we could maybe make a difference in helping protect them.
The major threats to sea turtles here in Fiji is overharvesting.
So we worked with WWF to help put together and support a turtle monitoring programme. So what happens is that the nesting sites are managed or overseen by the local communities.
Turtle numbers are really declining. Some years back, there were a lot of killing of turtles, and we really thanks WWF and other organizations in imposing awareness so that we can really know what's really important about turtle.
Turtle tagging is another research method that's been used to give incentives to the communities for conservation. It identifies migratory paths for sea turtles, it identifies key habitats for protections, it identifies key feeding areas for protection.
When customers buy carrier bags from Marks and Spencer's, then the profits from these carrier bags are invested into what's called our Forever Fish Fund. And that money ultimately is used to protect and conserve our wider marine environment.
Through some of these donors, like Marks and Spencer's, it enables us to conduct a lot of sustainable coastal marine resources work that leads into sustainable fisheries here in Fiji.
I wish I could bring customers here and let them see and feel for themselves the difference that this funding makes, because the appreciation, the heartfelt appreciation you get from the communities is just inspiring, completely inspiring.